Hello everyone, welcome to my second video in electrical engineering for all. This is kind of a boring lecture, but it's very important. Not now, but you will see later on that it's very important to see what is the structure of matters and how can we have electrical charge and all the stuff. But at first you have to know what are the matters made of and what are electrons and what are protons. Okay, matter exists in form of mass and energy. Matter isn't imaginable without movement, and movement without matter. So if you have matter, you have movement. But you can't have movement if you don't have matter. Matter is any substance that has mass. Matter is any object that has mass. You are matter, I am matter. This pen for a blackboard on whiteboard is a matter. So if you have a matter, you have mass, and when that mass is moving, you can have, of course, energy. Energy is, a lot of times defined like mass times the speed squared divided by 2. I think you learned that in physics. That's kinetic energy. Okay, you can have potential energy, but we usually use electric energy. Matter is any substance that has mass. This includes atoms. Atoms are the most tiniest part of matters. Mass of the atom is 1.67 times 10 to the minus 27 kilograms. Okay, the core of the atom, we call it nucleus, consists of protons and electrons, and around the nucleus electrons, flow. And here you have an atom. You have protons that are positively charged, and you have electrons that are negatively charged. That positive and negative is used for, there is no specific reason why protons are positive, electrons negative. That's by convention. And neutrons are neutral. Under the influence of electromagnetic field, we'll learn what is that, all that, we have movement of electrons and protons. So if you have an electric field around electrons and protons, you will have movement. So that's why when you have movement, you can have electrical energy. Electrons and protons will make electrical energy. You will see how that is made after you see my lectures. And electric charge, that's a physical property that experiences a force when electromagnetic field acts upon those protons and electrons. So, and I have to say one more thing, that, well, I'm gonna remove this. If you haven't, write it down, pause the video clip. And so I have to say one more thing, that when you have two negatively or two positive charges, you have two same charges, for example, plus, they oppose each other. So one force will look in that direction, and one and that. Same as two negative, they oppose each other. And if you have one positive and you have one negative, they attract each other, and this is really, really important. So thank you for watching this video clip. See you in the next video clip where I'm going to explain ionization. And I don't know what to say. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.